Okay, so we're starting off with our sheet of puff pastry on our sheet pan. Now I'm gonna bring in my Tillamook medium cheddar, and we're gonna come over to our cheese grater that we have right here. And we are gonna grate this whole block of cheese right onto our puff pastry. Now I am using cheddar cheese, but you could use American cheese, you can use mozzarella, you can use Colby Jack, you can use whatever cheese you like for this super easy and delicious lunch. All right, and that was 8 ounces of our cheddar cheese, and we're just gonna kind of allocate that cheese to the center of our puff pastry, but we are not done with our cheeses yet. I'm also gonna come in with my extra sharp white cheddar. So we got medium cheddar and white cheddar. Those are my 2 favorite cheeses for this easy lunch. And just like the medium cheddar, we are gonna shred this whole 8 ounces right on there. All right. So that is 16 ounces of cheese. That's 2 cups of cheese right on top of our puff pastry. We can go ahead and move that out of the way and start distributing our cheese evenly onto our puff pastry. And once you're happy with your amount of cheese, we're gonna grab a second puff pastry sheet. Roll that super quick, just like so. Kind of line it up perfectly with our other puff pastry. And then we'll take off our parchment paper. I did keep that first sheet of parchment paper on there. And then once it's lined up, we're gonna grab our fork, and just like a pie, we are gonna go ahead and close those edges together. So we have the cheese, we have the 2 puff pastries. Oh, this is gonna be so good. All right, and that is perfection. There's one more thing we're gonna do to this, and that is a quick little butter wash. I have some melted butter, and we're just gonna grab our little brush, and we are gonna soak this thing with our melted butter. We're gonna get those edges, we're gonna get the whole top, because we want a nice buttery brown puff pastry. So let's do this super quick. Look, we used all of that buttery melted. Got a little bit last bit on there.
Beautiful.
All right, and our giant puff pastry grilled cheese is ready for the oven. My oven is set to 400, and it's gonna be in there for 20 to 25 minutes. Oh my, would you look at that crazy puff pastry grilled cheese? Okay, we are gonna go ahead and take our parchment paper and slide it right onto our cutting boards. Woo, look how good that looks. It is time to cut a piece. Woo-hoo. I can't wait.
Oh, it looks delicious.
Wow, that is so good. Look at that perfectly cooked bottom.